And next are these handrails. I have two sets, one going up to the back door to the kitchen. I'm using this enamel porch and patio floor paint just on the handrails, not on the rest of the wood. And then over here is the second set going down to the basement, and it's got a little patio down there that all needs to be cleaned out. But like I said, just the handrail. I got all four of them done, both sets. I did the underneaths of them and the ends and everything. I was thinking this paint was the same paint that I painted the basement door with, but it looks a lot lighter to me. So anyway, I've got those done, and then I did these two first, and then I did the other ones. Now it's about that door. I got the insets done. I am going to do this edge over here. I am going to do that now. And then since it's 92 degrees outside, by the time I finish the edge, I can do the insets again. And then I'll get the roller out. The door is done. I trimmed it twice and rolled it twice. I do it like the way I cut grass. I always trim first. So the outside and the inside of the back kitchen door is officially done. I don't think I'll have to go back over it because the second coat pretty much covered it. Alright guys, be sure to look for the other videos at the 1939 house, and I will see you in the next one.